Hi, I'd like to thank TOPXUAN for gifting me this magnetic wristband. It's really nice when you're doing stuff by yourself. It's got a little elastic sleeve that you put your wrist through, then you just simply Velcro this around like that. The magnetic strips are right here, so I can put anything on here that I need. So when I'm using my hands, you know, and need to grab something, I've got it right here rather than trying to hold it in my teeth or set it down near me. Works really well, and I use it all the time.
Could you put it on your left hand? Is it
Not with my watch.
But if you were a left-handed person, you could
certainly
interchange it.
Yeah, put it over my watch that way.
But you could interchange it if you were left-handed, right-handed.
Yes.
Yeah. I feel like you're really going to use that.
Works really well.
Okay.